This video is for the D10. The D10 requires 2 of the STL blocks to be printed. There's 7 stations total. I've already set my guide for this size and then made the block. Got station 1, 2, 3 on the first block. Then we will move to the second block, station 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Put the block in like that. We'll be making 2 cuts. Remove that scrap piece. Simply lift, rotate 180 degrees, and make a second cut. Remove that scrap piece, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise to station 2. Just lift this up, set it in there like that, make a cut. Lift up, do 180 degrees, put it back in, make another cut. Pull out the scrap. Rotate 90 degrees to station 3. Pick this up and rotate about 180 degrees. Set that in there like that. Then flip it 180 degrees like this. Move on to the next block here. We need to move to the second block. Here's the second block. Take a look how I have this laid out. This is station 1. Then it'll be 2, 3, 4 on the second block. Start with this one here. Just pull this straight up. Tip it back like this. And you have to kind of stick this and these 2 edges in there at an angle like this. It fits down inside there. This little piece of scrap out of there. Whoop. We only make that one cut here. Rotate 90 degrees to the second station on block 2. Similar thing where you just pick this up and then tuck that in there like that. Make a cut. See the one side of the D10 is there. Okay, now we need to move to station 3 on block 2. Rotate 90 degrees. Take the part out. Just flip it over. Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. And that kind of just goes right in there. Like that. And we'll rotate 90 degrees to the last station on block 2. We're going to pick it up, rotate 180, tuck it right in there like that. Last cut.